Welcome to my YouTube channel English Wickeden. Today we are going to learn an inspiring thought by Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is the founder of Christianity, which has billions of followers throughout the world. So, one of his thoughts is that love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. It's rather very difficult. It's difficult to love even our neighbors. So, how is it possible to love our enemies? It's a Herculean task. But Jesus asks us to do that. Love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. So, first of all, what I think is enemy is a concept created in our mind. So it can be erased. Something, if we can create, so it can be erased. So Jesus wants to that, erase that concept of enemy from your mind. Okay. And focus on that person. And love him. Love him means like him. He is a person. Of course, he has something against me, but he is still a person. He has done so many other good things, may not be towards me. So it's okay, but he has a family, he has his own goals, he has his own future. So why should I keep revenge against him? Let me forgive you. That's what Jesus meant. Okay, love your enemy and pray for those who persecute you. It's a very what do you say, impossible task. Someone is persecuting you, someone is beating you, and someone is giving difficulty. So how will you pray for him? We usually pray for our family, we usually pray for our relatives, benefactors, well-wishers, friends, but we never pray for those who persecute us. We always pray in order so they may be destroyed, or they may be cursed, or they may get difficulty in their life. So that's not what Jesus wants. Okay, Jesus wants us to pray for even those who persecute you. How do you pray? Because they don't know what they do. They persecute you. You are a good person, still they persecute you. Persecute you means they give some punishment, they harass you, they give difficulty. They don't know about you. Okay, that's why they persecute you. And they are doing intentionally or unintentionally. But when they do wrong, so it is really abhorrible. So even though it is abhorrible, so you pray for him. You pray so that he may change his attitude and he may change his life and he may stop persecuting you. Okay, so that is also important. So praying for those who persecute you. So hereafter, when you pray, do two things. Okay, don't focus on your enemy. Okay, focus him as a person. He has a family, he has a future. So forgive him and start liking him. Okay, you will become a great person. That's why Jesus is telling. Anybody can love one's neighbor or friends. Okay, but if you love your enemies, you become great. So in life, you want to become great. Okay, different from others, spiritual, then you should love your enemies. And another thing, you pray for those who persecute you. That's very important. Ask Lord to change their mind and they become good person. Hope you learned so inspiring thought from Jesus. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.